After discovering this recipe, I only want to eat chicken like this. Let's start by preparing 2 juicy chicken breasts. Now I'm going to make a few cuts in them, just like I'm showing you. These cuts help the chicken cook faster and allow it to absorb the seasonings better. Let's season our chicken with a bit of salt and black pepper. Make sure to season both sides. And you, are you also a fan of chicken recipes? I love them because chicken is such a versatile meat that goes well with everything. You'll love the final result of this recipe. It's amazing. In a dish, I'll place 3 tablespoons of wheat flour. This will give the chicken that crispy texture. Coat the chicken fillets in the flour, making sure they are well covered. Now, in a skillet, I'm going to add a little oil and 2 tablespoons of butter. The aroma is already irresistible. Place the chicken fillets in the skillet and let them fry for a few minutes on each side until they're golden and have that crispy crust. Look how the chicken cooks evenly with the cuts we made. After frying, we'll add a tablespoon of butter, 3 garlic cloves, a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, and 2 tablespoons of honey. Take a moment to tell me which city or country you're watching from. I love knowing where you're from. We'll also add 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. This combination will bring an irresistible sweet and sour flavor. Flip the chicken fillets one more time, making sure all sides are covered with the sauce. And if you're still watching this recipe, it means you're enjoying it. So rate this recipe from 0 to 10 so I can keep making delicious recipes like this. Then, sprinkle chopped green onions on top to finish. Our tender, juicy chicken with an irresistible sauce is ready to be served. A simple, quick dinner that's sure to please everyone. I'm sure that just like at my house, this recipe will become one of your favorites too. If you try this recipe, let me know in the comments how it turned out and where you're watching from. And tell me if you prefer more chicken or beef recipes so I can bring more options that you'll love. Thank you so much for watching until the end. See you in the next recipe. Until then, bon appétit!